this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to do a short review of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can see this beautiful lovely looking phone at my hand. The display is 6.8 inch, is smaller than the previous version of Note Ultra and S21 Ultra version of phone. Before you had 6.9, you have 6.8 inch display in this case. This side of the phone you can see I have volume rocker button as usual. You have power button, lock unlock button, nothing else, one antenna line. At the top of the phone we don't have more microchip option. We have one hole for speaker, okay, in this case. This side of the phone we have only two antenna line and nothing else. And bottom of the phone we have speaker gray. We have C port for charging, for data transfer. We have slot for SIM cards. We don't have more memory card slot. And one more hole for mic if I'm not wrong. And two line of antenna and obviously S Pen. Let me take this out. This is the most beautiful part of S22 Ultra because now you have S Pen as Note. The front side you can see one camera and nothing. The Touch ID is built in on the phone, on the display. But before going to the display, other thing, let's go to the back side. It's coming with different color, for example green, burgundy and white. I have burgundy version. This is new addition to Samsung phone. Back side we have four cameras. The first camera 108 megapixel, then 10 megapixel, that is telephoto. After the 10 megapixel another, then 12 megapixel. I'm putting so much close, you can see the close shot of the back side become blurred. You can see in this case. You can shoot 4K video with these cameras. At the front side, the selfie camera, you have 40 megapixel, one selfie camera. Now let's go to the display of this phone. The display is dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz refresh rate, that is. Resolution 1414 to 3088 pixel, that is 500 PPI density. Internal memory 128 gigabyte version of 8 GB. This one is 256 gigabyte to 12 gigabytes of RAM. I have this one. The chipset is coming with two type of chipset, Exynos 2200 or Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8th generation. All the other information you can read at the description. Let me go to the phone to show you inside what you have here. See all the icon, how touch sensitive this phone is. Here we go. Awesome in this case. Here you can see YouTube. I put a 4K video in this case. Nature. This video 4K. You see the color, magnificent color in this case. Very high quality indeed. You see here Facebook we have how touch sensitive it is, how is working. Very fast indeed. Let me put you some song to check the sound quality. I use YouTube Music. Here we go. Let me put something fast with the volume high. You can listen here. The sound is very high quality. I hit here Netflix. Go to my account and just put drama to show you how it looks. See the Netflix here. Looks awesome, the display. I go forward.
I will redouble my efforts, Your Majesty.
So this is a short review of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In future I will make more detailed review of this product. If you want, check that. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.